Hello, once again welcome to our channel I Need to Know First. Here we clarify doubts about various products. And in today's video we're going to unravel the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic and show you if it's really worth the investment. So follow along with me until the end and I'll tell you everything you need to know about Okinawa Flat Belly. After all, what is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Does it really work? The answer is yes. Okinawa Flat Belly is a supplement that combines traditional Japanese ingredients that eliminate fat and help control cholesterol and blood pressure. And it was because the ingredients originated on the island of Okinawa that the tonic was baptized with the name Okinawa Flat Belly. The people of this island are known as the healthiest, strongest, and leanest people on the planet. But what are these powerful ingredients? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains in its composition the EGCG, a compound that has the anti-inflammatory property that aids in weight control and reduces the onset of chronic diseases. Piperine, a substance also present in black pepper that has the known property of accelerating metabolism and reducing the accumulation of fat in the body. Inulin is a prebiotic fiber that helps in digestion, diabetes control, and helps weight loss. Hibiscus sabdurifa, a red flower found on the island of Okinawa that contains antioxidant compounds that decrease the oxidative stress of the cells and also provide support for weight loss. Antioxidant fruits are powerful protectors of the cells against free radicals, rich in fiber, and are aids in weight loss by participating in digestion and controlling cholesterol, as well as being rich in vitamins and minerals that boost immunity and give lots of energy. Berry of Aronia is a small fruit rich in vitamin C, a natural diuretic that prevents weight gain due to swelling. Acai is a small purple fruit that has a very significant amount of vitamins, minerals, and good fats such as omegas 6 and 9, control glycemia and cholesterol, and the fibers present improve digestion and accelerate weight loss. Mulberry helps weight loss by activating brown fat and increasing metabolism. Mamortica carrantia, a complement in weight loss diets for having few calories and lots of fiber. So many benefits, isn't it? But I must leave a warning here. Only purchase your product on the official website of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic so that you get the guarantee of receiving a totally original product with no changes in its quality. To help you out, I leave below the direct link to the official website of Okinawa Flat Belly. Another important note is that the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has a 100% money-back guarantee if in 90 days you are not satisfied with the results. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is very easy to consume. Simply dilute the powder with water 1 to 2 hours after breakfast. The company ensures that a correct use combined with a balanced diet, the results are right. Well, I decided to make this video first to try to minimize the doubts about Okinawa Flat Belly and also emphasize the importance of purchasing the product on the official website. Remember that the results are individual and that it is linked to your effort to achieve your goals. I hope very much that this video has helped you, and I wish heartily that you get all the benefits that the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can provide you. And if you liked this video, subscribe to this channel to receive more videos like this. Thank you for staying until the end, and until next time.